Welcome to Phase-in Creation. Today we are going to install the browser in the EC2 Windows server. First go to the Internet Explorer. Search File Hippo website to download any browser for your Windows server. Click OK to the security alert. Open the website and go to the browser's categories. Select your browsers and click on the download option. Refresh the page and add the trusted site and close all the security alerts. You can see the browser has been downloaded. Now you can install and run the browser. After download and install the browser, you can use this browser freely. You will not see any interruption using this browser. I hope it will help you. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.